Now we are considering foreign trade multiplier in presence of repercussion effect. So now we are considering the foreign trade multiplier in the presence of foreign repercussion effect. Here we are considering the foreign income Y star. Now the foreign import M star is a function of Y star, foreign income. So when we are considering the trade balance of the domestic country, then trade balance is equal to export minus import. Now we know that import is a function of Y and Y is the domestic income. So Y is the income in the domestic country. Now our export is equivalent to foreign country's import. So we can say that X is equal to M star. Now we know that M star is a function of foreign income. So in place of X we can write M star Y star minus M. So our trade balance is equal to M star Y star minus My. Now at equilibrium, first we are considering the domestic country. So at equilibrium in the domestic economy or in the domestic country, Y is equal to E, which is a function of Y and G, plus trade balance, which is a function of Y star and Y and Y star. So Y is the domestic economy's income, total income of the domestic economy, and E is the total domestic absorption, which is a function of domestic income and government expenditure of the domestic economy, and trade balance, which is a function of both the domestic income and the foreign income. So this is the case for the domestic economy. So this is the equilibrium condition for the domestic country. So this equation is denoted by equation 1. Now in the foreign country at equilibrium, the condition is Y star, where Y star is the foreign country's total income. Now Y star is a function of E, the domestic absorption in the foreign country, which will be a function of Y star, that is the foreign country's income and the foreign country's government expenditure, plus the trade balance of the foreign country. Now this trade balance of the foreign country is minus T Y star. So if the trade balance in the domestic economy is plus T, which is a function of Y star, then the trade balance in the foreign country is minus Ty minus Y star. So if there is a trade surplus in the domestic economy, then there will be an equal amount of trade deficit in the foreign economy. So why this is the case? What is the trade balance in the domestic country? This is T, which is a function of Y and Y star. Now T is equal to M star Y star minus My. So this is basically export minus import. So export of the domestic country and the import of the domestic country. Now what is the trade balance in the foreign country? This is T, if this is T Y star. Now trade balance in the foreign country is the export of the foreign country minus the import of the foreign country. Now what is the export of the foreign country? The export of the foreign country is our import. So the export of the foreign country is equivalent to the import of the domestic country. So therefore the foreign country's export can be denoted by My, where Y is the income of the domestic country, and then export minus import of the foreign country. Now foreign country's import is the domestic, our country's export. So we are exporting to the foreign country, and that is the foreign country's import. So this is minus import of their country. So import, which is a function of Y star. So import of the foreign country is a function of their income. So this is My star. So this is M star Y star. So if the trade balance of the domestic economy is M star Y star minus My, then the trade balance in the foreign country is my minus m star y star. So it is just the opposite of the of this term. So therefore we can say that if the trade balance in the domestic country is t by y star, then the trade balance in the foreign country is minus t by y star. So if there is a trade surplus in the domestic economy, then there will be an equal amount of trade deficit in the foreign country. So this will be the case when the foreign country's economy will be in equilibrium, and this is the condition when the domestic economy will be in the equilibrium. And what will be the trade balance in the domestic country? This is denoted by T, which is export minus import. Now we know that import is a function of income. Now what is export? Our export is foreign country's import. So therefore this x can be replaced by m star y star minus my. So this is equation 2. The equilibrium condition in the foreign country is the equation 2, and then the trade balance in the domestic economy is equation 3. So we will be working with these three equations.